Welcome to Dacia Contract Hire Maintenance. If you're thinking about getting a smart new business vehicle on contract hire with us, then this is the time to consider the benefits of adding a maintenance package to your agreement. A maintenance package will give you peace of mind from the moment you start to drive the vehicle. It just makes perfect sense, as all our new hire vehicles have to be serviced and maintained to Dacia standards. Budgeting is simpler and easier too, by helping you spread maintenance costs with fixed payments in your monthly rental. So you can avoid unexpected maintenance bills when they pop up, protecting you from any part and labour inflation rises. We have 3 levels of maintenance packages to choose from, and they all include 100% Dacia parts and labour with Dacia technicians. Level 1 covers all routine servicing, covering parts, labour and fluids. Level 2 covers all routine servicing and wear and tear items, such as wiper blades, brake pads or shock absorbers. It also covers any MOT tests you should need. And our top level 3 really is the full Monty. It's all taken care of. It will cover routine servicing, wear and tear items, MOT test and tyre repairs or replacement should they be worn or punctured. And because we want to make your life easier, a mobile tyre fitting service is available as standard should you need it. Dacia Contract Hire Maintenance. Peace of mind for your business comes as standard. Job done. For more information on the maintenance packages available with Dacia Contract Hire, go to daciafinanceuk.com or contact your local Dacia dealer.